Good morning, one and all. Now, today we are doing the same chapter what we have started last week, that is shapes and designs, right? And as I have informed you earlier, that you have to be ready with some requirements which I have given you to for having an activity session. Okay, so are you all ready for the activity? Are you all ready for the activity, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let us, yeah, okay, okay, fine. No more wishes in between. Page number 66.
Ma'am, please tell page
Page,
number.
page number 66. Okay, so now, anyways, now you don't need page number. Just see this. I'm sharing the screen. So this is something colorful you see here, isn't it? It's a puzzle. So today you are going to do that. So we will learn how to make the puzzle also. It's not only solving the puzzle, we will learn how to make the puzzle also. Are you all interested? Yes or no? Are you all interested? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes. So
ma'am.
now, okay.
Yes.
So to
Yes.
have, see, to know the doubts
Ma'am,
what
page
you may
number
have,
50.
once I tell you, you should note down, ma. Don't ask me the page numbers again and again. I told you it is 66, but you don't need right now that. Okay. So now let us see here. This is chapter 5, shapes and designs. See how many different designs you have as a bird, as a boat, as a robo, so many things, as an aeroplane. So all these you are going to do it now. Okay. So now for that, what is it you have to know? Our topic is tangram. This is called tangram. Okay. So what is this tangram? It is a puzzle. It is a puzzle, and this is mainly from China. So it's a Chinese geometrical puzzle consisting of a square. Can you see a square here? Okay, I have shown you, see, a square which has been cut into either 7 pieces or 5 pieces, which can be arranged to make various other shapes. See, you are seeing different shapes here. All these shapes are made from the pieces of this square. Okay, so first you can see here in this square there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pieces. Revati, don't disturb the class. And in the other square you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 pieces. Okay, so first we will do the simple one so that it's easy for you to learn. Once you learn a tangram of 5 pieces, you can make 7 pieces very easily. Okay, children? Okay, so now let us go to see how to prepare a 5 piece tangram. Are you all ready? Yes. So for that, what did I ask you to bring? I asked you to bring a white paper, A4 size white paper. Hope all of you have. Show it to me. Show. So I'm closing this sharing so that we can do the activity well. Yes, very good. All of you have. So nice. All of you should show. Yeah, good. Okay. So first A4 size paper, this is a rectangular shape. This isn't rectangular shape. Is it rectangle? Is it rectangle? So I am allowing you all to speak, but see that there is no other disturbance from your side. Okay? Good. Okay. So we have a rectangle with you. But what is the tangram says? We should have a square. So now you should learn how to square out of a rectangle. Okay? It's very easy. So hold your paper like this and fold it. See, fold this one edge of the paper on the other edge. Fold it like this. Can you all see? You have to follow me. Otherwise, you cannot do it. So follow me. So paper, one edge of the paper should be on the other edge and seize this, crease this like this with your nails, crease it. Okay. Now this is an additional paper you have, right? You all of you have got this additional paper. So that additional paper you just fold to back, fold it back exactly like this. And then again crease it. And again crease it. So hope all of you got this. Did all of you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now
Yes,
what you have to
ma'am.
do is you have to remove this rectangle part. You have to remove this. This triangular part you should have, and this rectangle part you should remove. Okay, how to remove it easily also I will show you. Instead of scissors, first you crease it hardly with your nail. Once you creased it, put it on the floor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Put it on the floor. Yeah.
One second. How to do the whole step, ma'am? Ma'am, can you show me the whole step, ma'am?
Yes, now okay, because someone has asked, I'm doing it again, but not always. See, if I keep on doing this only, we cannot complete our class. So first you are taking a rectangular paper, right? Then you are
Yes.
folding one edge of this so that it falls on another
Yes,
edge.
ma'am.
And now you are folding this remaining part here. You crease it. See, in this case, I'm going to meet you all. I can hear so many people speaking and parents speaking from backside, which I don't want to disturb the class. So now just follow me. Okay, if you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Otherwise, I cannot hear you. Yes, now you have to cut this. How to cut this? As you have creased, now use the scale. Hold your, keep the scale inside this paper and just drag it. So you got see exactly that paper has come plain. So now when you open this, you will get a square paper. Did you get square? Did all of you get square? Yes? Show me. All of you got square? Very good. Now look at this. Look at this. Already you have one folding like this, right? So now unfold it. Okay? See, this side should be up. Okay? Now fold the paper in a rectangular way, like this. Very easy. Fold the paper in a rectangular way. Okay, so hope all of you have got this. So fold it and crease it. Got it? Got it? Yes, very good. Now open this. So everywhere, whenever you fold, you should find this line. Okay, you got two lines now. Now, this is the horizontal one. Now, turn the paper like this and fold it in a rectangular way once again. Hope all of you are following. I am doing it very slowly. This video I will upload. You can see and do it if you are not able to, but you must be able to because I'm doing it very slowly. So now, once again, we have creased. So we got 1, 2, 3 lines, 3 foldings. Did all of you get this? Yes. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Very good.
No,
You're fine
ma'am.
with it. Okay, okay, next.
No doubts, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, okay, okay.
Everyone.
Yes, I'm doing it. Okay, now what you have to do is place it on the floor or table. Okay, take the scale and a pencil, a scale and a pencil. Okay, now see this. You have got a midpoint, center point here, where all the lines have cut. Hope all of you have seen this center point, right? Okay, one slant line you have in between. That slant line you drawn from the center point, one slant line that you draw, okay? And from here, the center point, draw another line, slant line. You don't have folding, but you have to draw here so that it become a big triangle, okay? So see how I am drawing and show it to you after drawing this. So triangle, got it? Did all of you get this triangle? Yes, very good. Okay, next. See, to opposite of this here, there are two foldings like this, one horizontal and one vertical. This will become a square. So draw these two lines, you will get a square. Draw these two lines. From center point, one horizontal and one vertical, you got a square. Did all of you get this square? Here there is a triangle. So see it carefully. Here there is a triangle and here there is a square. Hope all of you got this. Any doubt here? Are you all able to do? Children? Are you
Yes,
all
ma'am,
able?
we can do it,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am,
good.
we can do
Okay,
it.
okay. We'll continue. We'll continue.
Ma'am, you.
Fine. We'll continue now. So this you got triangle and a square, right? Now, what you have to do is this corner opposite to just adjacent to the square, this corner. Here you have a square. Sorry. Here you have a square. This corner you have to fold so that that corner touches the center point. See, this is a square you have drawn. This is a square you have drawn. This corner you have to fold in such a way that it touches the center. Corner touches the center. Clear? Crease it. Yes, Rajesh. Yes. Very good. Very good, Krishna. So crease this. Now this line, the line which you have creased, draw it. Draw it now. So this is done. If you have drawn that, your triangle is done. Yes, now what you have to do is now give the numbers. First, number 1 to triangle. Number 1 to triangle. The triangle first you have drawn, give the number 1 to triangle. Okay. Number 2, the adjacent triangle. You have just side by. There is another small triangle. Do all of you have? Yes. Next, what do you have? Square. So give number 3 to square. Number 3 to square. Hope all of you are following. The biggest triangle in the first one, what you have drawn should be 1. The smaller triangle adjacent to it must be 2. The square adjacent to the triangle must be 3. And you can see another shape here. Sorry. You can see another shape here. This is called parallelogram. It's not rectangle. It's like rectangle for you. You might have not heard this word, but it is called parallelogram. You can name it as 4. This shape, you can name it as 4. Okay. Now left out is, there is another triangle here, name it as 5. Okay. So see. So all 5 numbers I have given. First triangle is 1. Very good. Second, the adjacent triangle. Next, third, adjacent square. Fourth one is a parallelogram. Fifth one is the left out triangle. Hope all of you got? Yes, very good. Now, as I asked you to get your pair of scissors, hope all of you brought the scissors. Be careful. See if your parents are there with you, it might be better. Very carefully use the scissors and cut the biggest triangle first. The biggest one. The first triangle what you have drawn. The first triangle, cut it off. Very careful, be careful with the scissors. See if your parents can be with you. It will be better. If you cannot handle scissors, please leave it. You can do it at home later once your parents come back to you. Right now you see. If you can, please do it, but at most care. Don't cut your fingers, only cut the paper. Okay, so 1 is over. Next, very good, Saurajesh. Next one, 2. Triangle 2. Second triangle. Got it? Very good, very good. So fast, good children. Next, square, 3. Number 3, square. Square. Hope all of you got it. Hope everyone is following. Pranav, Satvik, you are not doing? Huh? I can't see papers with you. Are you all doing? Tanay, Vikrant, where are the why is the
Ma'am, I
videos
am
are not
doing,
on?
ma'am.
Okay. Now, fine.
doing, ma'am.
Yes, yes, good, good, good. Okay, those who
Do
have
it by
not kept the
myself.
videos on, please switch your videos on. Now, next is 4. That parallelogram which I said, that you should keep it aside by cutting it. So 4 and 5. I got all 5 pieces. Hope all of you also got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is 5-piece diagram. Okay. Now the fun starts. Now the fun starts. All of you are ready, right? Okay. Now arrange as you have seen in the beginning. The same way arrange and make it a square. Arrange it
Ma'am,
and make it a square back.
this one, ma'am.
Huh?
You send you this one.
Arrange it and make it a square. Arrange it and make it a square back. So for that, I'll help you because it may take a little time. Some of you might do it very well. Some of you might take a little time. So I'll help you. So first you take the first triangle, 1, and place it on the floor like edge must be outside. See here, like this. Okay, place it like this. 1. Hope all of you have done. Vertex should be your side. This corner should be on your side. This edge must be outside. Hope, is this clear? The edge must be outside. Corner must be your side. So place it like this. Next, triangle 2. Triangle 2.
Finished, ma'am.
Triangle 2. The longest side of the triangle 2. You can see these two are small sides. This is the longest side. This is the longest side. The longest side of triangle 2 must touch the edge of triangle 1. Hope you can see this.
Yes,
Can you see
ma'am.
this? Yes, very good. So 2 also placed. Next, take 3. That is square. Take 3. 3 you should place like this. It's a square. So anyway you can place it. Square, you have all sides equal, isn't it? So you can place it in any way. Hope you have done this. Hope you got this. Very good. Next, take 4. Take 4 and place it in such a way that it touches the side of edge of triangle 1 and one edge of square. Place it in such a way that it touches the one edge of a triangle and one edge of a square.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Shruti.
Ma'am,
So now,
I got it,
five.
ma'am.
5 you can place it very easily.
I already done that.
Very good, children. Very good. Very good. So this is the way you have to place it.
I have already done this, ma'am.
Yes, many of you have got it so good. I can see that you have done it, but there are some students who couldn't. They will also do it by taking a little more time. But now, because I cannot wait for them, you please practice it again. Now, what you have to do is you have to take these pieces back into your hand, and I will show you now different shapes. That shapes you have to make using these pieces. Okay, not on square you did. It's good. But now another shape I will show you that you have to make it. Okay, so be ready. So this is the 5-piece diagram which you have done it. Now use these 5 pieces to make the following figures. So some of you make the first one, some of you make the second one, Some of you make 3, some of you make 4. Whoever can make whatever, you just make it and show it to me. Quickly place it. You can see that here you can see some triangles. Is that triangles used? What is that done? Check it up. Yeah, all the 5 pieces you have to use and make this. Vikrant, don't do such things. Please do concentrate on the work. You have 5 pieces. Use that 5 pieces and make these pictures, these figures. So Rajesh has done the, not done, he's doing. Okay, very good. See, he's fast. What about others? Show me the work you are doing. If you don't show your face also, okay, but show me the table. See, like this, show me the table and the papers, what you are placing it. So here I have colorful one for you, which I made it for you so that you understand well. See here, I have done like this. You also can do it like this at home. Instead of using white paper might be easy to teach you. So I have asked you to bring white paper. You can take a color sheet like this and prepare. So this is the colorful diagram, see here. Now using this, you have to make these pictures, these figures. So let us see. So let us see who will do. Let me see who will show me the first one. I will also try one. See here, I have got one big figure. You need not use all 5. Whichever is required, you can use that and make it. See, this is something, I think third picture I have got it. Hope all of you can do this. Is this okay? Can you see this? So I have used 5, triangle 5, square 3, triangle 2, and parallelogram 4. See how I have placed. I got this. So what children, hope you are able to do it. Are you all doing? Are you all doing? Trying?
Ma'am, see my
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
see my structure, ma'am.
Srijana, you made good. It's a hut, but I asked you to make these figures, which I have shown it to you.
Ma'am,
I
I'm
know.
also doing this, ma'am. See, we got Shruti.
Shruti, okay. But
I
what
got
is
it.
picture is it? This is not the one which is given here, Shruti. First, you drew the figures which I have given it to you. Later, you can make number of figures as you want, as you are
I got
interested.
it, ma'am.
But here, right now, please make the figures which I have shown it to you.
Got it, ma'am.
You are sending this video, ma'am.
Yeah, I will
Ma'am,
send it. Yeah, I will
this
send it.
video.
Right.
Ma'am, I got
Array,
it, ma'am.
don't concentrate upon on the uploading of video,
Ma'am,
whether
I
it is
got
done or
it,
not.
ma'am.
Children,
Done,
please
ma'am.
yes, very good.
I also got it, ma'am.
Yes. So let me do for you one more. So I think so. Let us do one more. Having this, okay. Then a square, okay. Then a parallelogram, and then a triangle. Yes, and a bigger triangle, another triangle, bigger triangle. See, I got 2. A figure 2, which is given in 4th one. See, did I get this? Can you see this? Is this clear? Yes. So you also have to make it like this. Okay, children? Now, the first work is
Ma'am.
you have to make a colorful diagram after the class, not the white paper one. The white paper one I have told you so that you understand better and can do it here easily. You can take the white paper, cut the pieces, and then color as I have shown it to you in the.
Ma'am, what is
PPT.
the page number?
Who is this Hasini? Why do you ask same question again and again? I told you page number 66. Once I tell you, you should follow me. Please don't ask the same question again and again. What?
Ma'am, ma'am, we just,
Okay, good.
ma'am, done the week.
Okay, now listen, children.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, very good. So these are the few figures you were supposed to make. Who could do it? Very good. A big round of applause to all such people. Who couldn't do, no issue. You take a little more time and do it. For them also a big round of applause for their trials because they have tried. That is why they came to know that they are not able to do it immediately. Okay, well, now the homework is you have to do the same with white paper, but color the parts as I have shown you. Okay, I will send this PPT to you. So as per the colors I have shown, please color that parts. Clear? Color and then make different figures. Then make different figures. For every one figure, you need one diagram. So at least 2 figures you have to make. At least 2. Yeah. Now, basing on these diagram, now we have some questions which you have to answer. Okay. Shall we go to that questions now? Okay. So let me allow you to talk, but don't make noise. Don't shout all of you at a time. Okay. Just raise your hand. I will ask you the question. How many triangles do you have in your set? Are all of them equal in size? Find out. Yes. Now, who raised the hand? I didn't find anyone. So Rajesh raised his hand and Bhargav Krishna raised his hand. Okay. So Joshita raised his hand. Okay. So let me start with Joshita. Joshita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me how many triangles do you have in your set? How many triangles you found?
5, ma'am. 1, 2, 5.
Yes, the numbers are 1, 2, and 5. But how many triangles? You should say there are 3 triangles. It's not 5. There are 3 triangles. The numbers of the triangles are 1, 2,
There are
and
3
5.
And
Yes,
there
there
are
are 3 triangles. Very good. Okay.
triangles, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now,
Triangles, ma'am.
Can I say next second answer?
yes. Now, see one by one. I will ask. All of you are speaking at a time. So, as Joshita said, there are 3 triangles. The numbers of the triangles are 1, 2, and 5. Very good. Now, I saw that Bhargav Krishna. Where is he? Bhargav Krishna, are you ready? Yes, Bhargav Krishna. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me, are all of them equal in the size? The 3
No, ma'am.
triangles? No. How do you know that they are not equal?
Some are big and some are small.
Some are big and some are small. Can you show me the bigger one, the biggest one in that?
And number 4, ma'am.
Number 4 is not a triangle, my dear.
This one, number 1.
Yes, 1 is the biggest triangle. Very good. Okay, the other 2 triangles, what about other 2 triangles, Bhargav Krishna?
And these 2 are small.
So, small. But are they equal? Are they same in size?
No, ma'am. 5 is bigger than 2.
How do you know that?
I put them in like this.
Not like
So,
that.
5 is
See, you have to put, I'll show you how to put the 2 triangles. See here, the 2 triangles are these. or let me take the paper one as you have taken. So 2 and 5. These are the two triangles, right? So see that the one corner of one triangle is placed on the corner, same one like this. Both try to coincide. If they touch each other exactly, are they falling on each other? Are the two triangles falling on each other?
Ma'am, I can see the five triangle.
So they are different. Okay, fine. So you see, once again, cut it and check it carefully. Okay. So if they are different, very good. So 1, 2, and 5. There are 3 triangles which are of different in size. Okay. Okay, now. Next question. Next, Saurajesh, be ready as you raise the hand. So use the 2 small triangles in the diagram such to get the following shape. Did you see the first shape? So I want you to make this shape using the 2 small triangles. Using the 2 small triangles, that is number 2 and number 5, make the shape which I have shown to you. The first one. Yes, very good. See, he has placed it. So nice, Saurajesh. Next, Vishruti has raised the hand. So let me ask Vishruti. See the next
Yes, ma'am.
one, next shape. See, you have to use the 2 triangles, small triangles, to get this big triangle. So do that. Use the 2 small triangles. Shruti, show it to me. Now place it on the table and make a big triangle using the 2 triangles. Yes, enough. Okay. Now you show me. How will you make it as a big triangle? Your
How
nails
to
are
do
very
that?
colorful. How to do? Try. Meanwhile, anyone else? Any other student raise the hand? Yes, anyone else is ready to using 2 small triangles, getting a big triangle? Kartika, yes. Show me the 2 triangles using two. Srijana, it's not a triangle. You did not get a triangle. So use 2 small. Yes, Bhargav Krishna has made it. Very good, Bhargav Krishna. So nice. 2 small triangles. Using 2 small triangles. Yes, Kartika, very good. And who else? Yes, Tridiva, very good. Even Tridiva got it. Who else?
Ma'am, like this.
No, my dear, I asked you to use only 2 small triangles. Only 2 small triangles. Yoshita did not get. She will try. Don't worry. She will try and she will get it.
Ma'am, Joshita done, ma'am.
Yoshita has done. Where is Yoshita?
Ma'am,
Let me find out where is Yoshita. Yoshita.
ma'am, like this, ma'am.
Ma'am, like this, ma'am.
No, Shruti, it's not a triangle. Shruti, it's not a
No,
triangle.
like this, ma'am. Like this to make a bigger one. Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Who is that?
Ma'am.
Okay, I will show you how to make it. Those who have got, well and good. Those who have not got, please correct it. See, I will show you now. So, wait a second. I'll show you how to make that animation. Okay.
Ma'am, can you unpeel Vishruti?
See here now, the first one, as Saurajesh has made, 2 colors, 2 triangles, you have to place it like this. Second one, using 2 triangles, you have to get a big triangle. Look at this. Did all of you get it? Now, did all of you get this? See, once again, I'm showing it to you. Place one triangle like this. The longest side should be up. The longest side should be up. To this corner again, place another triangle so that the longest
Done,
side
ma'am.
should be another one. Got it? Very good.
Yes.
Now third one. Who will show me the third one?
Which one, ma'am?
Third one
Thank you.
is, yeah, I'll show you. This one, third one.
Ma'am, can you unpin this Shruti?
Which Shruti, you want to see me? Or I should see
Yes,
you. Okay, wait. So first all of you check this third figure. You have to make this.
Ma'am,
This is
I
in
can
the
do
shape
it,
of
ma'am.
this is in the shape of a parallelogram. That is number 4. Okay, that which we had it number 4. We had number 4, right? The same. Yes,
5
Shruti,
and 2 equals 5 and 2 equals something.
Using two triangles you should do. Using two
Like this,
triangles you
ma'am.
should do. Who is that?
One C, ma'am.
Like this,
Shruti.
ma'am.
Where are you? Who is that like this? Your name I'll see.
Paurajas, ma'am.
Paurajas, ma'am.
Paurajas, ma'am.
Hello.
Joshita, yes.
Hello.
Yes, Joshita has made it very
Hello.
good. Yes,
Ma'am,
hello.
like this, ma'am.
Who is that name, ma? You tell me the name.
Paurajas, ma'am. Paurajas. Ma'am, like this, Paurajas, ma'am.
Got it.
See,
Ma'am, can you mute everyone and unmute me? Ma'am, can you unpin this, ma'am?
yes, okay, now. See, if all of you want to show at a time, I cannot. If you have done it, just show it to me like this through the video. Joseph Prince, you made it a triangle, very good. What about the third part, the third figure? Try that also. And even I am showing it to you how to make third one. Once again, we'll see from the first one. So first, two triangles are placed like this. The longest sides are attached. You got a square. Next, two triangles are placed in such a way that the longest sides are on the two other sides. It became a big triangle. Next, two sides are placed like this to get a parallelogram. Okay, see, look at, check it this. So you have to make it like this. Yeah. So now let us go to the next one. Now, which two pieces of the triangle set are exactly same? Find out. See, you prepare it once again with a proper measure, properly folding, properly cutting. Then you will come to know that the two triangles, 2 and 5, actually I have got it. You did not get. Some of you have not got it. Those who have not got, you have to do it once again. Okay. So now see, I am showing it to you. Yes, the two triangles, if I place one on the other, you can see that the two triangles are exactly same. So triangle number 2 and triangle number 5, they are same. Is that clear? So if you have, while preparing, if you have not cut it properly, you might have got a bigger one, a little bigger one, little smaller one. But if you do it exactly, then you will see that the two triangles 2 and 5 fall on each other exactly, they coincide. We call that they coincide. Okay, so the two triangles are same. Yes, Rajesh, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, can you unpin Shruti?
What happened?
Can you unpin Shruti?
Vishruti is right here.
Yes, you need to unpin.
Yes, Vishruti,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get that? Making a triangle? No. I have shown you, see, triangle
See, ma'am.
like this.
Yes.
See here, Shruti, check it out. When you hold a triangle, there is a longest side. One longest side you can see in each triangle. Can you see this longest side? Yes,
Ma'am, I have
hold
done
it.
it, ma'am.
Yes, hold
ma'am.
it like this. Very good, very good. Yes, take another one, another triangle, which has the longest side, So both the longest side you should touch. The two short sides must touch each other. You should
Ma'am,
touch
I
the
want
longest
only
side.
one bigger one, ma'am.
Not bigger, my dear. I asked you to take smaller triangles. Take two smaller triangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the longer sides are in your hands. The longer sides of the two smaller triangles must be in your hands. Okay.
Two smaller triangles, one bigger triangle, ma'am.
You take two smaller triangles only. Take two smaller triangles only.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
taking two smaller
All of you
triangles.
hold the two smaller triangles like this in such a way that the longest side of the smaller triangle you are touching.
Ma'am, can I show,
Then-
ma'am?
Then, yeah, sure. Then bring the smaller sides closer to each other. You got a big triangle. No, Ishan.
Yes,
It's
ma'am, I
wrong.
got it.
Krishna, it's wrong.
Like this.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Got it. What about other? Yes, Rujana, Sona is good. Yes, Kartika, good. Viksha, good. Ravani,
Ma'am, I
yes,
got it.
very. Yes, Shruti. Shruti, I have seen.
See,
Very
like this,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. You have got it. Yes. See, everyone should show it to me. Karunya, Vatsalya. Is it Karunya, Vatsalya sisters sitting and doing? Where is Karunya? He is hiding. You are searching for him. Yes. Ashrita, where is yours? Very good. Hey, that is a bigger triangle. Where are the two smaller triangles, Ashrita? No, you are holding only one triangle, right? No, Ashrita, that is not right. Bhargav Krishna, you got it. Very good. Yes. Shiraj, what about you? What is it you're doing? Where is this? See, I wanted to show you like this. Shiraj, Vasudev, what happened? Where is your triangle? Hmm?
Ma'am, I have done the triangle,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ishan got it. Very good. Abbas, you are not showing. So, Satvik, it is wrong. Satvik, it is wrong. Satvik, long side ఏదైతే ఉందో అది నీ చేతిలో పట్టుకోమ్మా. Long side. Yes, very good. One long side you hold. Very good. The other triangle also. Long side at పక్కకు పట్టుకో, చేతికి పట్టుకో. No, Satvik. Your left hand is correct. Change your right hand. Left hand side one is right, correct. Turn it. Satvik, right hand ఇంకొంచెం turn చేయి. మళ్ళీ turn చేయి. Look at this, how I am holding. Yes, very good. No, now you change the left hand one. Okay, anyways, try this. I will send you the video. You can do it. It's not a big deal, but a little practice you want. That's it. Okay. So let us go to the other part. So this is 5-piece diagram. Now I'll show you the 7-piece. See, these two were equal. Okay.
Ma'am, I made a diamond shape.
See, this is 7-piece diagram which you have to make.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
I made a diamond shape.
Ma'am, can you make it today or next class, ma'am?
Not next class. You make it within 2 days and post it to me in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't wait till the next class. Next class we will not do diagram. So you have to complete it within 2 days. So do that, and all of you, if possible, take a video and send. Or if you can color it, take a picture and send it. In any ways, it is okay. And 5 pieces, 5 piece diagram. you should-
7 pieces puzzle.
Ma'am, good with your
Can you show?
I will ask you one by one. First, you listen to me. Homework is, first one is, you have to make 5-piece diagram, write the numbers, color it, and make at least 2 different figures. It need not be what I have shown. You can make anything like hut, bird, rabbit, tortoise, anything. Okay. Then aeroplane, anything you can make it. So homework number 2 is make a diagram of 7 pieces. These are the only 2 works given to you. It's an activity, so it carries marks. All of you should do it. Here, children. Now, one by one, raise your hand. I will see and ask you if you have any doubt. Yes, Vishruti has some doubt. Yes, Vishruti, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, can I color it, ma'am?
I told you to color it. You should not ask me the same question again. Next, Tridiva has raised her hand. Yes, Tridiva, you want to ask me something?
No, ma'am, I previously raised the hand.
Okay, good, fine. Next, Kartika, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, good. Okay, next, who raised hand here? Guru Deepti. Yes, Guru Deepti, what is your doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Boliye, Guru Deepti.
you not tell me.
It's very disturbance from your side. I can't understand your voice. Next, who raised the hand? Nobody. I cannot see anyone else here. Fine. So it shows that the things are clear. Homework is very clear. So children, hope you have enjoyed today's activity session. All of you should do it. Okay, children? Till the next class, bye. But everyone should submit it. As I told you, it carries marks. You want marks? Okay, children. Bye.
Ma'am,